Team, I want to discuss the importance of proper handling and disposal of personal devices in the healthcare setting. These devices can harbor bacteria and viruses, contributing to the spread of infections.
That's a good point, Mihira. I've seen staff using personal devices in patient care areas.
Using personal devices in patient care areas can increase the risk of contamination. We need to establish guidelines for the use of personal devices in the hospital.
Should we prohibit the use of personal devices altogether?
That might be impractical. Instead, we can designate specific areas for the use of personal devices. We should also encourage staff to clean and disinfect their devices regularly.
What about patient-owned devices, Mihira? Should we allow patients to use their personal devices in the hospital?
We can establish guidelines for the use of patient-owned devices. Patients should be encouraged to clean and disinfect their devices before and after use. We can also provide designated charging areas to minimize the spread of germs.
Mihira, based on what you've described, it sounds like you might be experiencing a case of acute sinusitis. Let me explain what that means in a bit more detail. Essentially, it's an inflammation or swelling of the lining of the sinuses, which are the air-filled spaces located behind your nose, cheeks, and forehead. This inflammation is what's causing the symptoms you're feeling. It often happens after a cold and can lead to that feeling of a blocked or congested nose, a reduced sense of smell, and a feeling of pressure or pain across your cheeks and forehead, especially when you lean forward. You might also have a thick, green, or yellow nasal discharge and a cough that can feel worse at night. I want to reassure you that while this is uncomfortable, acute sinusitis is a very common condition and is usually not serious. Mihira, in most cases, it's caused by a virus, much like the common cold, which means antibiotics aren't necessary or effective. The body's own immune system is typically very good at fighting this off on its own. The condition is usually self-resolving, meaning it will likely get better by itself within 2 to 3 weeks. In the meantime, we can focus on managing the symptoms to help you feel more comfortable while your body does its natural work of healing.